Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max is already making waves long before its official unveiling, and not for the reasons you might expect. While tech enthusiasts are always eager to learn about the camera, design, or AI features of the next iPhone, this time the spotlight is on something even more controversial: the price. According to reliable insiders and leaked documents, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to carry a jaw-dropping price tag that has left even the most loyal Apple fans stunned. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we'll cover everything we know so far about the iPhone 17 Pro Max price leak, what it tells us about Apple's strategy, why the cost is rising so sharply, and whether it's still worth the money in 2025. From internal sources and analyst predictions to hidden tech upgrades and global pricing differences, this article unpacks it all. According to a leaked supply chain document obtained by Apple industry analyst Ming-Chi Kuo and reported by publications such as MacRumors and Bloomberg, the base model of the iPhone 17 Pro Max may start at $1,399 US. Yes, you read that right. $1,399, a $200 increase from the already pricey iPhone 15 Pro Max, and $100 more than the rumored iPhone 16 Pro Max. This massive price bump is being linked to a combination of factors: cutting-edge materials, breakthrough display technology, AI chipsets, and Apple's increasing focus on Pro-Ultra experiences. But is it all just marketing spin, or are you really getting more for your money? Apple is reportedly switching to a next-gen titanium alloy that's stronger and lighter than the one used in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This material is more expensive to manufacture and process, contributing to the price hike. It also helps make the iPhone 17 Pro Max more durable and lighter, important for a device that's growing in both size and capability. One of the biggest rumored design upgrades is the removal of the dynamic island, replacing it with an under-display Face ID system. This futuristic change is being developed in partnership with LG and BOE and will be exclusive to the Pro Max model, further justifying a premium price tag. According to leaked blueprints and CAD designs, the iPhone 17 Pro Max will feature a new 8-element, 8P, periscope zoom lens, improving telephoto capabilities significantly. Better low-light zoom, less distortion, and enhanced stabilization are all in play here. But this lens is expensive to produce, which again inflates the overall price. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to debut Apple's most powerful chip ever, A19 Pro, which will feature AI co-processing cores designed to compete directly with Google's Gemini Nano and Qualcomm's Snapdragon Elite X. This is Apple's answer to the AI phone wave, and the silicon alone adds significant cost. Leaks suggest that the iPhone 17 Pro Max will start at 256 GB instead of 128 GB, with options going up to a whopping 2 TB. This move aligns with Apple's strategy to upsell storage-hungry creators and professionals, but it also pushes up the starting price baseline. Let's take a look at what the iPhone 17 Pro Max might cost around the world based on current exchange rates and Apple's historical pricing patterns. Keep in mind, these are estimates based on early leaks. Region expected base price, 256 GB. USA $1,399. UK £1,499. EU €1,599. Canada €1,890.